Alright guys, what's going on? After we got the tensioner in, ooh, that's bright sun, huh? This gets you down below the sun. After we got the tensioner and the belt on, we started it up and we had a little bit of overheating because this hose is broken back here that goes to the water outlet. So, customer had some family stuff to take care of, but they're back in it now, so we're gonna get that pulled out and swapped out now real fast. Let me go get the part. All right. Yeah, that's a much better right there. Now I can see what's going on. I know it's a little odd to see it, but this is the housing here. So, we get an extension for that 8mm. We will have to take this, whatever the hell this breather is for. Oh, that's a bleeder thing. Pair of pliers, and that should be about it. All right, so I want you to let me know how the visual on this one comes out and the sound quality versus some of my other videos. I have a few of you guys that watch everything I do. And I'm trying to bring the camera in closer on jobs. A lot of times you're more just seeing me do the work. You're not actually seeing what I'm doing. So I'm trying to help a little bit more. And I've been having problems with this Rode wireless microphone that I have. Can't keep the volume up on it. So I made a few changes to it. See how it goes. Let me know, please. See, I know you're seeing my arm in the video right now, and that's not something I can really change. There's another hose on the bottom. Nope. Okay, well, you didn't see any of that because the damn storage on my freaking camera was full. and it wasn't recording that whole time. Or it was recording some of it, so whatever I have, I'll show you, but look at this thing. It just melted and fell apart. This is where it broke off, which is in this hose right here that we need to take out. So I do apologize, you're probably going to miss some of the video there, but you'll see me put it back in, so I'll keep that footage in at least. That way if you're wondering how to do it, you'll see me go back in with it. But anyway, such is life, stupid electronics. We're going to take all these clamps off, because some of this stuff is oil soaked and swelled. So I don't want to have something come off. So definitely need to talk to them about these valve covers here. But let's go take a closer look. So there's your outlet, or inlet, outlet, whatever you want to call it, outlet. Yeah, it's a water outlet, Ben, you genius. Nice and clean. Alright, let me get some hose clamps. So I need 1, 2, 3 clamps. And we need to swap this over. Alright, so the old one, or the new one, has 2 options. We've got the nipple adapter, or we have just the block off. The old one, it looks like someone put this on, but what I'm going to do, instead of giving it another leak point, is just put the cap in there where it belongs. So we just put the cap in instead. This is nothing, there's nothing there. It's got the new gasket already on it. We do need to put the lower hose on first. So I'm choosing to do the cap instead of the nipple because it's just one less spot that can leak. But new clamps. See if we can get that on without getting mad at ourselves. I'm not gonna go super tight yet. I need to turn it where I need to. Make sure the hose is all the way on. There you go. nice and tight there. Let's get our other clamp set on the upper radiator hose here. We don't need to tighten that yet. We're going to get some of the bolts started first. Okay. Bottom ones. This one should be fun, because I can't see anything. Okay. Oh, crud. Alright, let me go grab a ratchet, because that's better. I can feel more with a ratchet than the other one, and I don't want to break a bolt, so. Okay. Alright, let's get the upper radiator hose clamp tightened up. Make sure we're on all the way. The clamp's a little big, but good. Alright, one more clamp on the original hose. Man. Oh, I think it's on the floor. Yep, it's on the floor. Alright. Alright. New clamp on the hose that broke. Let's get that put in. Cool. All right. That is all put back together. We're not missing any hoses. Not missing anything. Put this hose back in. All right, and then let's get our battery tray put back. I don't buy concentrate much anymore because I'm lazy. But let's go ahead and get this thing running. right. Come on, big guy. All right. Everything's good. No more leaks. Our job here is done. So pretty simple. Like I said, sorry you missed some of the removal of that. Ran out of data storage. So like always, I appreciate you guys. If you like, subscribe. Talk to you guys later.